Oh, there's Harry Potter. Oh, this one, I like this one.
You want it? You want it?
No, thank you. What's that? Let me see that one, Jolene. You hold it for me. Mr. Beast, again. Show it again. You're so fast. I haven't not. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Let me see, Jilana. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's nerds. Starburst, candy. Kunin mo na yan kung kunin mo. Hey, Emily. No, Jilana, no toy? Jilana, no toy? No toy? Oh, wow. Is that healthy for you?
Yeah, happy. It's eat.
That's grandma. That's grandma, anak.
No, you have goldfish. Just let me park this. Oh, you got it. Good, come here.
When you have your operation, that's what you're gonna get, this one. If that is gonna buy you ice popsicle. Gusto nila mag-shopping sa tatay nila eh. Oh wow, Jilana, look. Lots of Kinder Joy. Oh, maybe they're on sale. No, Daddy said no. Hindi sila nakabili.
Dad.
Oh, dito na tayo ni maghintay. What's that, Julene? What happened?
I only eat otter pops when I get my operation. Joanna's like, that's no fair. I'm like, well, I'm getting an operation.
Yeah.
And she's like, I'm like, do you want an operation? She's like, no.
Okay.
But I'm not getting
Yung tonsil niya, alisin. Para hindi na siya gurok. Wow. You guys a good shopper, huh? You guys are a good shopper now? Is that new thing for you guys? You guys are a good shopper now? No more toys, no more going around. Wow. Huh?
Bro, you canceled us. That's fine.
Wow, that cannot even go with you
anyways,
guys.
if you didn't cancel us, anyways, that would happen. Anyways,
Well,
when we go with Dad, no, once we only groceries, food, nothing else.
yeah. Oh, really? See?
I'm not
Please
going
go
to
out.
tennis.
Oh, see?
He trained us. He said,
But
no toys.
if it's mommy,
Yeah, we got toys and candy.
oh, see? Yeah.
Well, I like you more than Dad.
On shopping time?
On
Yeah, Daddy said no. He's grumpy right now.
Yeah, Daddy and Mom. And Mommy, Daddy.
In shopping?